Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Leah. I have been away for a little while. I've not been very well. It's been really difficult to get things done. I've been very, very overwhelmed with stuff to do, family-wise, etc. But I thought I would bring you a video on how to choose the best pharmacy. If you are on Mounjaro, or you're thinking about going on Mounjaro, or if you're thinking about switching pharmacies, it is really important to find the best deal. We are paying privately at the moment for this medication. There's a lot of people that are, and finding the best deal is obviously really important, but also finding a pharmacy that is legitimate and somebody who you can trust and it's going to support you is also important. So I'm going to tell you my journey with the pharmacies that I was with. I'm going to tell you what they were like, and I'm going to tell you what the kind of prices were. It wasn't too bad. All pharmacies are roughly the same. You're going to find that you're going to be saving like between 10 and maybe £70 at the most, which is a lot for some people, but it all depends on what you want. Now, a lot of people will go with like pharmacies that they trust, Boots, Superdrug, etc. I would stay away from those, only because they charge way more than some of the others. There are family-run pharmacies that have access to the medication legitimately that can support your needs much better. So when I started on Mounjaro over 6 months ago, I was kind of influenced by somebody else and their choice, because I could see that they were doing really well, and I was like, right, I need to choose somebody that would be good for me, and I feel like they know what they're doing. So it was a friend, so they recommended Zavamed. So I started off on Zavamed, but the price was quite high, and I had another friend who was using MedExpress. Now you will hear about MedExpress because they give you probably the best discount at the time for any kind of medication, but they only give you one code, and that code gives you £40 off. However, if you join with them, you can have a referral code of your own. Well, it used to be that way. So I think they've got ambassadors now, or influencers, or whatever. So they had a code, and you could give your code, and you would be able to give somebody else £40 off, and then you would get £40 off in credit, which would mean that at some point you could get pens dramatically reduced. So it would really help people. So lots and lots of people are pushing those codes. Now, MedExpress is somewhat okay. A lot of people do enjoy them because they are the most cost effective, and if they give you their code, you will be helping them by giving £40 off. You get £40 off, and then you get your own code. Like, it's all great. However, it becomes a little bit of a scheme, and it also becomes something that people are trying to push all the time, and it can become really overwhelming. You just see MedExpress codes everywhere. Now, the thing with MedExpress, they were great for the value, and they were obviously legitimate. And when you did a price comparison, I'm going to put some price comparison sites down below that are trusted, that use only legitimate pharmacies. One is munj.co.uk and the other is mjcompare.co.uk. Use either of those. They've got the same information, and they just capture it and they give you a comparison for Mounjaro or Wegovy. You can use it for both. So I would always double check and make sure I was getting the best price. However, I got super sick in week 12. I was so poorly, and my side effects were so severe, and and not to the point where I had to go to the doctors, but I needed to talk to my provider about what to do next. And I sent a message to MedExpress, and I had no response. I couldn't get hold of anybody. And this is when I made the decision that I needed to be a little bit more aware of who I was going to use moving forward, because I needed them to give me some help when I needed it, like at the time. And my friend was with a company called Ushk Pharmacy. Now, I will talk about Ushk quite a lot because I am so passionate about their service and who they are and what they do. Like, I absolutely love being with them because they're a small provider. They have handheld done everything really well. They have a maintenance program for people who are going to be on this long term, that either want to titrate off, or they want to have it where they can have it in different intervals. Like, they have so many different programs for maintenance. It's really important to have somebody that you can trust. So Ushk Pharmacy are owned by a couple called Bilal and Hira, and when they found out, because they're very active on social media and they're really active in the community, and they actually like speak to you. They're not just a big massive conglomerate that nobody's talked to with a massive CEO. These are a family run business. And when I said about how I was feeling, they rang me. I wasn't even a customer. They rang me on a Sunday night and they said, how can we help? We just don't want you struggling. And I was like, look, I'm really struggling. I'm suffering with sickness and diarrhea. I jabbed in my tummy. I'm having a real problem. They said, right, these are the steps that you need to take. They also asked about my diet. They asked about how I was doing. And they kind of gave me some real solid tips to get myself out of those severe side effects. Since then, well, after that, I spoke to them and said that I would like to move over. We did our consultation. They do a video consultation as well, which obviously now is required, but they are so selective with who that they choose. They listen to everybody's story though. So where MedExpress won't allow you to join if you have no gallbladder, they look at your medical history because they've got the time to do that because they are a family owned business. So I decided to move over. Now I've spent the rest of my time now over, I think the last kind of 3 months I have been with Ushk, and I have no plans on changing. I want to be with them all the way to maintenance. And my wife has also been with them the same amount of time as me, because obviously we're married, we're going to use the same provider. And when she was deciding to take a new medication, or she was getting prescribed a new medication, it was really good as well because we could talk to them, just pick up the phone and say, is this okay to have with MJ? And they have been so good. They are always at the end of a phone call rather than just an email. They're email as well if you don't want to talk to somebody on the phone. And you can text them as well, which is really good. So for me, it was more even though they're mid-priced, I would say that they're not high-priced. They're mid to low. They're not too high in price. They do have discounts every week. They have a discount code that you can use every time you use or get a new pen as well, which is great. You're not always paying full price. And that can range from like £10 off, 10%. It depends on the week. They have a different code every week, so you've got to look out for the best ones. They're absolutely incredible. They really want to look after you. They've got nutritionists. They've got people who are personal trainers, so you can ask questions all the time and somebody will be there to help you. And that to me is the sort of provision that I needed. I needed somebody who understood about the medication. Oh, and the person who runs it, Bilal, he also took the medication himself. He was on Mounjaro. He lost 40 kilograms in total. And that's why he has been able to work with Hira, who is the lead pharmacist, his wife, and they have worked out things together to make sure that people are getting the best answers and the best advice. It has been, for me, an absolute game changer having a pharmacy that listen and that care. Now, there are people out there who are literally just looking for the cheapest option. They don't care. And that is absolutely fine. But for me, I needed that hand-holding support. And the thing that really kind of drove it home, not just the help they gave me, it was the end game. Because one of the things that I felt when I lost weight a long time ago was that I was on my own and I didn't know where to go now. I'd lost the weight and I felt like I was in a body that I didn't know. It was all very alien to me and it was just actually terrifying. And it was the reason I put weight back on, because I felt like somebody else. I didn't feel like me. I didn't have any support whatsoever. They said that they understand that and they would support that. And that was a big, big deal clincher for me. Somebody that really understood my journey. So Ushk for me have been wonderful. We have come to an agreement and I'm very, very lucky that I get to have my own code so that people can use that for £30 off. Now, of course, I have to put this as an ad because I have got my own code. I actually, am able to work with them, but I don't do it for any other reason than to bring people to them because they have been so good to me. Your initial kind of medication, it's when you go on to 2.5, that is the lowest that it will be. So if you have a look at the prices, you'll see the lowest price that they can offer without a discount code. But with a discount code, you're getting it for so much better. and it is almost matching up to the like Med Expresses. As you're going up through the doses, they are actually cheaper in some cases on the higher doses. So it's definitely worth shopping around. It's definitely worth finding something that's going to support you, and it's worth looking out for that maintenance program and go and check it out. I will put all the links down below to every single provider that I've used. You can use whichever one you want, but I'm also going to put the link below to the comparison site so that you can make those informed decisions yourself. There are, I think, 3 providers that offer maintenance. You've got Ushk, Cloud and Trim. And for me, all 3 of those are excellent. I've heard great things about all of them. So it's completely and entirely up to you where you go. Do not be swayed just because somebody's giving you a discount code. Think about what it is that you need. So, I mean, that's why when I share things on a neutral basis, because although I love that provider, it doesn't mean it will work for everybody. If you have any questions, please do comment down below. I hope I can help you. I know that there's a lot of people on their MJ journey, and there's a lot of people who are thinking about swapping and just don't know that there are other providers out there that can help them. So I'll put all of the information down below. Go and check it out. I'll put it all in here, just down there. But yeah, if you've got any questions, any comments, let me know. If you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I'm actually going to do another video, which is a 6-month update, because I haven't done that yet. And I'm so excited to bring you the news. And I will see you in my next video. Oh, and if you're somebody who watches my reaction videos, sorry that this is completely kind of left field, but I do lots of things on this channel. Anyway, I'll see you next time. Bye.